Hello, today's topic is the types of fractions. In this tutorial I'll tell you about three main types of fractions, which all fractions can be split into. And also I'll give the definition of one extra type that is important for further learning the division of fractions. Let's start. And the first type of fraction is proper fraction. Remember, a proper fraction is a fraction whose denominator is greater than its numerator. For example, 5/8. The denominator 8 is greater than the numerator 5. One more example, 3/4. The denominator 4 is greater than the numerator 3. And the last example of proper fraction is 1/3, where 3 is greater than 1. Note: proper fractions are less than one whole. The second main type of fractions is improper fraction. Remember, an improper fraction is a fraction whose denominator is smaller than or equal to its numerator. The example is 7/6. The denominator 6 is smaller than the numerator 7. 8/5 is the improper fraction because the denominator 5 is smaller than its numerator 8. 5/5 has got the equal numerator and denominator. According to the definition, 5/5 is the improper fraction too. Note: improper fractions are equal to or greater than 1. The last third type of fractions is mixed fraction. Remember, a mixed fraction is a fraction written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. The example, 1 and 2/3. Here 1 is the whole number and 2/3 is the proper fraction. The other example is 2 and 3/7. 2 is the whole number and 3/7 is the proper fraction. Mixed fractions are always greater than 1. Note: any mixed fraction can be represented as a sum of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 3 and 4/9 can be represented as 3 plus 4/9. For now, we have finished to define three main types of fractions. Let's discuss one more type that is needed for the division of fractions. This type is reciprocal of a fraction. This term can be used only for a pair of fractions. Remember, two fractions are reciprocals of each other if one of the fractions is the flipped over other fraction. For example, 3/8 and 8/3 are reciprocals. To get the reciprocal, we had just to upside down one of the fractions. The numerator has become the denominator and the denominator has become the numerator. The other examples are 10/7 and 7/10, where there is switching the numerator and the denominator. 4/9, 9/4 are also reciprocals. And the most interesting case of reciprocals is a reciprocal for a whole number. Let's take 5. We can represent 5 as 5/5. And now it's easy to inverse it. That means to change top and bottom into 1/5. Note: you must remember that there is no reciprocal of 0. That's all for today. I hope it was useful. In next two videos we'll talk about several more types of fractions and discuss how to change the type of a fraction. Good luck and bye!